Hi everyone, James again from KSH Labels. Today I want to talk about some how does our factories can make unsurpassed good woven labels. So for the woven labels, first at all, clothing brands need to design complete set of the clothing accessories. So the accessories include so many things. Hand tag, labels, and partial, buckle, so many things. So in the complete set of the accessories, there have included woven labels. So the artwork is also very important. So almost because almost things basically we are according to the design to products in futures. So that means what is your designs, so so the neighbors will be wow, what is look like. That's different. One different thing is for professional and responsible manufacturers. So we have we are fully communicate with customer after receiving the design artwork and to learn more information about your products. For example, like what clothing is this woven labels used on, and what is the style of your clothing, and what is the market for your clothes, high-end market or no and market. So let's make sure the quality, how we can make the quality in futures. So when do we get a free understand about your products? We will combine our expert set to develop 2 or 3 different quality reference project for customers checking. So in this link, we needed to develop active samples. Because for woven labels, we can't check everything on the just on design artwork. So we must, for the woven labels, the difference can only be seen by comparing actually samples. So we just have the samples in hand, so we can check the difference. So everything is make sure, and we have to start the big production, and we needed to check every labels after productions. So make sure 100% pick out the defective products. Packing after quality inspection is also very important. Expect for the woven labels not too small. Therefore, we needed to arrange the woven labels one by one, so as to reduce the cost by extracting of woven labels in the process for packing or transportations. So that can protect the labels verifying in the packing or transportation. So now I can show you some good quality labels and with some different styles. So like this one is woven label and with the blue plant. Also this one is first down. We have to make out the woven labels, and then we have the embossed. you can see this embossed logo. So if you have any questions about the woven labels, so and welcome to contact with us. I will do my best and talk with you and answer your questions. Thank you so much.